In an unprecedented move, 4 organisations of judges, including the European Association of Judges, have filed a complaint against the European Commission and EU member states for approving access to Poland for €35 billion of EU recovery funds, despite the fact that Warsaw has continued to fail to abide by EU rule of law. Specifically, the lawyers say that the Polish government is still refusing to comply with the European Court of Justice ruling, which demands that Poland dismantle its illegal disciplinary court system. They say Poland is continuing to undermine judicial independence both in Warsaw and amongst all EU member states.
The entire European judicial system is at stake because this is based on mutual trust. How can we somehow be confident that the decisions taken on the custody of kids for mixed couples, on European arrest warrants taken by Polish judges can be taken independently by those judges if such independence is not guaranteed today in Poland.
The group lodged an action with the General Court of the European Union, calling for the decision to grant Poland its recovery fund cash to be annulled based on the fact that Warsaw is not complying with the court's rulings. They say the EU is agreeing to hand over the cash to Poland as a result of Warsaw's reaction to the war in Ukraine.
For over a year, the European Commission couldn't really approve the Polish recovery plan because of the lack of judicial independence and the unwillingness of the Polish government to actually abide by those judgments. But all of a sudden, because of the Ukrainian situation, the fact that the pretty generous policy of welcoming by Poland has gained some points, let's say, in the eyes of the governments, push the European governments to actually approve such a recovery plan.
As of yet, no money has been handed over to the Polish government because the timeline for certain milestones of the recovery plan haven't been met. The European Commission says it takes note of this legal action but stands by its agreement with Poland. Shona Murray, Euronews, Brussels.